Hello everyone, good morning. Oh, maybe not good morning for everyone, but see, I just made a breakfast for myself and I thought I'll make a video for this, and I hope you all can have it and enjoy it and I'll become healthy, because this breakfast is really healthy. At the same time, it takes only 5 minutes. So do you want to make a breakfast that only takes 5 minutes? I think yeah, so enjoy. Okay, so let's begin. I'm going to use this one here, and I'm pouring the mueslis first. You can use as many as you want, of course. I don't want too much, so that'll be all for me. And I always like to add the milk first. So here's my Amul Treta pack. I think that's what it is called. And I like a little more milk. That's it. Then most important thing is we have these seeds. This is the chia seed. You can get from any kind of supermarkets. So I always like to have like 1 spoon, and also flex seeds. It's a mix of all the small tiny seeds. So it looks like this here, and I'm going to add my berries. And oops, I'm also going to add nuts. Here are my nuts. I usually count to 10, so 4, 5, 6, 7. I take 10 of these like every day as a medicine. And if you like, you can also add apple. So here's my apple. Okay, now I'm giving it a closer look. I usually do not make videos for the food and all, so it's little nervous. I'm little nervous. So this is how it looks like. It's really healthy, and also obviously it's very easy. As you can see, you can do this in like literally 5 minutes. So I hope you all like this video, and I hope this makes sense, and especially for people who needs to go to work quickly or college, study. They don't usually eat breakfast, but breakfast is the first thing that we should do in the morning. I mean, not the first thing, but very important meal of the day. So, and it takes only 5 minutes, as you saw it. So please have breakfast and your dinner will be lighter, which means you will not tend to put on weight. So that's a tips for the day, for the video, for everything. Bye bye, see you next time, maybe. You all like the video. I hope you I hope you all like the video, and let me know if you want me to make more of these Sunday morning breakfasts, because I am very good. Maybe not very good, but I'm good at breakfast, but not at food. No, not at lunches, meals. I don't know.